figure out what's wrong with me.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I got some bad news today. Well, last night my car broke down. The car I was so excited about last week, what I thought was perfect, even though I had over 300,000 miles on it. Hopefully I can figure it out on my own. It sounds like a transmission problem. I'm not sure what to do because it's a weird problem, but I'll show you guys out in a little bit. Alright, so I left my car about like right here. We're on like Route 15, Pennsylvania, if anyone knows where I am, if anyone's watching locally. But your boy just had a heart attack because the towing company was supposed to wait until I got there to pick it up, but apparently he was like 2 seconds away when he got the call, and so we get there and my car's nowhere to be found, and I'm sitting here having a heart attack, and he calls me like maybe like a minute after, and he tells me that he picked up the car and they're on the way to my house, but your boy just almost had a heart attack. So we'll see you guys when we get back to the house.
Oh, there she is, guys. Gotta figure out what's wrong with her.
Nice. So if anybody wants to help me like figure out what's going on with this thing, feel free, because I have no effing clue. So, first off, it won't even go. It goes in the second, third, fourth, fifth. It won't go in the reverse. I feel like bushings wouldn't cause anything this bad, but I know it definitely needs bushings. There's also something else that said maybe I need to change my fluid, which I probably need to do because it probably sat for a while before I bought it. Alright, but I'm just gonna show you guys. Starts up fine. I have my clutch engaged. Won't go in the first. We'll go in the second, but if I try to, so I'm in neutral right now. Clutch engaged. When I let off the clutch, it stalls. Car is off. I have no idea what would cause something like that. So yeah, that is my life. Mark's gonna be over in a little bit. We're gonna do some stuff to his Z. We're gonna try and do some brakes. Today was a day we were supposed to do. All right, we're supposed to do something else for this car. Unfortunately, we cannot because of this. All right, so why your boy is really furious about the SC is because what just came in yesterday was little goodie. Oh shit. Little goodie box for it. Yep. Your boy is pissed. I want to get these things on the car today, tomorrow, but it looks like that's not on the other thing. I know you guys haven't seen the IS in a while. This is getting sold, hopefully soon. And this, there's nothing really to update on this. I mean, I took the other headlight off because I sold it. You can see through there, I installed my little shift knob. I really wanted to take the wheels off of this and put them on the SC, but you know, shit doesn't want to go as planned. What? Why? Like he's just trying to flex. Doing? What is this nigga doing? Oh wait, what's up? What's up with it? What's up, man? What's up with that shift knob, boy? What's up with that? What's up, baby? Bring that ass here, boy. All right, so we back. We doing a lot of things over here. We doing his rotors. We doing a little oil change. And we're gonna do fucking coilovers, but my fucking cars. But yeah, we're not gonna do like.
I'll get the other side.
We're not gonna do a how-to video or anything, just cause we don't feel like it. I mean, I bet there's a bunch of videos out there on how to do rotors on a 350Z. It's not hard.
It's too cold, dude.
Yeah, it's really not hard at all.
It's too cold.
And oil change is mad simple. So right now, what we about to do? We about to get this side on. Are we good? Are we good to get this on?
Yeah.
Good. Alright, we got the other size. I said I wasn't gonna do like a how-to video, but just in case any 350Z, probably G35 owners looking at this, to take off your caliper, it's gonna be these two bolts right here in the back, and then this pretty much just comes off. You want to hang it somewhere. Like I had a bungee cord hanging from the top of the spring right there, and then kept it from hitting the ground and kept them from the brake lines coming off. And then you just pull the old rotor off, spray down the new one, put that on, and you put them back in, and you're pretty much good to go. So, yeah. All right, time lapse the rest of that shit. All right, so we got the fronts done. He's doing his oil right now. Only using that royal purple. He got them gold rotors. I don't know what he's doing. He's trying to be a hot boy right now.
I'm just cleaning the joint.
No, he's trying to be a hot boy right now.
You know I'm trying to clean.
All right, so I'm gonna put the wheels back on. I'm gonna start throwing them on. Then we're gonna start on the back. Hopefully, since we're not doing two things at once, the back won't take us long. So yeah, dark out, but we got his oil changed, and we got his front rotors on. We need to do the rears, hopefully before it gets dark. But it's warmed up, so I need to give him a little exhaust clip right now. I need to bounce one off the rev limiter for me. You know what I'm saying? All right, now turn it off before I get the cops called on. That is how you get the cops called on you in Williamsport, PA.
Sorry.
All right, so it's now a few weeks later. We kind of cut that video short because we ran out of daylight, and we ran into some troubles doing like the rear rotors because we needed we basically needed either swivel tools or a lift, which I don't have either of those. I don't really have a lot of tools right now. And so yeah, if you've made it to this point in the video, please comment if you have any suggestions on my transmission problems. I do have a 95 SC, so it is the has the tripod shifter with the W58. It's not the earlier W58.
So if you guys know anything can help me out, I appreciate it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for tuning in on this video, and since I don't have anything else to cut in, please enjoy this video of me doing a burnout in my IS.